Okay, so right now I'm going to show you how we can solve a division problem using the abstract sharing division. It's just like the same that we would share with using place value blocks, except now we're just using numbers. So our example is 4,329 divided by 5. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my dividend, 4,329 divided by 5. And now I'm going to set up my groups. I know that this is my divisor. It tells me that I have 5 groups. So I'm drawing my rectangle. I'm going to divide it up into 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now I need to start with the greatest place value. That's my first step. My greatest place value is 1,000. So I need to think to myself, I have 4,000. Can I share out my total 4,000 to each group? I can put 1,000 here, 2, 3, 4. But that means my last group will have an extra 1,000, so I won't be able to share it out. So since I don't have enough thousands, now it's time for me to regroup. I know that I can transform my 4,000 into hundreds. So since 1,000 is equivalent to 10 hundreds, that means 4,000 will be equivalent to 40 hundreds. So I know that I also have 3 in my hundreds column. So now I have a total of 40 hundreds plus 3 hundreds, which is 43 hundreds. So I'm going to just write the number of 43 hundreds right here. Great. Now I need to share out 4,300 hundreds amongst 5 groups. So now I need to use my multiplication facts, or think about what are multiples of 5. So 5 times something will get me close to 43. I'm trying to think how many hundreds can I put in each group to have an equal amount that's closest to 43, but not past. So let me skip count my 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. If I put 900 in each group, that gives me a total of 4,500, and I don't have 4,500. But I know that 5 times 8 is 40, and I didn't pass 4,300. That means I can put 800 in each group. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to put 800, or the value of 800, which is 800, 800, 1,600, 2,400, 3,200, 4,000. Great. 8, 132, 40, or 4,000. I use up 40 hundreds, or a total of 4,000. So I notice that I put 800s, so I'm going to show that right above my hundreds column. I have 800s. 800, like that, or I can just say 8. We'll just keep it at 800 for now. Now, the next step is I have to take away what I use. I'm going to subtract the total that was used in all groups. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 hundreds, or 4,000. I'm going to subtract 4,000. And I'm subtracting 4,000, so I need to see how much of my dividend, the number that I started with, how much is left to be shared. 9, 2, 3, 4 minus 4 is 0. Great. So I shared out 4,000. I have 329 of that original number that still has to be shared out amongst all of my 5 groups. So now I'm going to go back and do the exact same step. Step 1 is start with the biggest place value. So here my biggest place value is hundreds. 300s. Can I share out 300s amongst 5 groups? 5 groups and 300s, I can't. So once again, I have to regroup. I know that 300s, I need to regroup the hundreds to the next largest place value, which is the tens. So 100 is equivalent to 10 tens. 200 gives me 20 tens. 300s will give me 30 tens. Now I'm looking at my tens column. I already have 2 tens already there. So I have a total now of 32 tens. I'm going to write that down. 32 tens. So now I'm thinking to myself, how can I share out 32 tens amongst 5 groups. And once again, I'm going to use my multiplication facts, or I'm going to skip count by 5, skip counting to figure out the multiples of 5. So 5 times some amount in each group, or some amount of tens, will give me a total of 32 tens, but not packs. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. If I were to put 7 tens in each group, that means I have to use up 35 tens. And I only have 32 tens. Let's try a number that's lower. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. If I put 6 tens in each group, that means I will only use 30 of my tens. That's more feasible. So 6 tens, now I'm going to write the value. 6 tens has a value of 60. Remember, this is the abstract sharing method, so we always write the value. 60, or 6 tens, 12, 120, 180. Now a total of 240. Now I have a total of 300. So I use 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 30 tens, or a total of 300. Now I'm going to subtract what I use. I used a 300, and I want to see what's left. 9, 2, 3, 9, 3, 0. Great. I have 29 left that needs to be shared out. In my tens column, I have 60. So right above my 10 and my dividend, I want to just put that 6 to reflect the 60. Great, now I have 29 left that I need to share out. So once again, I'm going to start with the biggest place value. My biggest place value is the tens. I have 2 tens in the number 29. I can not put 2 tens evenly amongst 5 groups. So once again, we're going to our next step of regrouping. I have to regroup this amount to the next largest place value. 2 tens is the same amount as 20 ones. Because if 1 10 gives me 10 ones, then 2 tens will give me 20 ones. And I look, I see I already have 9 ones in my ones column. So I have a total of 29 ones. And just like before, now I have to figure out what can I use, or which multiplication facts can I use to help me to figure out 5 times what amount will get me very close to 29, but not over. 5 times something equals 29. So let's skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. If I put 6 in each group, 6 ones, I will have a total of 31. I don't have 30. Let's go lower. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I can put 5 ones in each group and use a total of 25 and still have the ones left over. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And now lastly, I'm going to subtract the total amount that I used, which is 25. I have 4 left over. Now I'm going to think to myself, I have 4 left. Can I share out 4 ones evenly amongst my 5 groups? I can't, because this last group won't have an even amount. Since this cannot be shared, and I'm also going to show that I put 5 ones in each group. So in my ones column, I'm putting a 5. Since I cannot share out these 4 ones, these 4 ones is what we call a remainder, and I can show this 4 being left over by drawing a little box, putting the number 4. Now I need to figure out my total. My total, or my quotient, between 4,329, this represents all of my 4,329 that I shared out amongst 5 groups. So the amount in one group is my total. 800 plus 60 plus 5 is 865. But I can't forget about what's left all the way down here, this 4. This 4 is a remainder and I need to reflect it in my answer. So my answer is 865 remaining 4, and I can show it here also, remaining 4. That's how we solve this problem using the abstract sharing method. Remember, we always start with the greatest place value, and we kind of think, how can we share out that amount throughout all of my groups? And if I cannot share out, then I have to regroup.